was actually a really beautiful morning as well. Lots of sunshine. I'm sure that you guys enjoyed it. You know, the sunshine helped to warm us into the upper 40s, low 50s today. And for tonight, for the folks that are going to be heading out in the next, say, hour to hour and a half to the Q, of course, we have our Cleveland Cavaliers taking on the Memphis Grizzlies. 7:30 is tip-off. I think that if you're going to be heading out and about, temperatures will fall through the 40s and eventually into the 30s. So grab the jackets and, of course, your best Cleveland Cavalier gear. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you are on the go but still want weather updates, feel free to add me as a friend on Facebook, and we'll make sure to hook you on up. Temps outside right now in the mid-30s in Worcester. Elsewhere, Akron, Canton, we're at 43 degrees, also 43 here in downtown. We're dry, which is the good news, but of course throughout the afternoon what you may have noticed were those really high, thin cirrus clouds, and that'll really be what we see throughout the evening. Now, will it impact viewing the supermoon? I don't think so. I still think that we'll get a pretty good shot of that, and you can of course always add me as a friend on Facebook because I'd love to see your photos of that. Currently though, winds generally calm around the region with high pressure off toward our east, and notice that there's a southerly flow of air on the west edge of that high pressure center. That's going to pump in and sustain some more heat tomorrow. So I think that we'll make it back into the 50s on Sunday. But one thing that we're tracking for you by next work week is a deepening area of low pressure. That is going to race across the central plains states and eventually here into the Midwest. And when it gets here, I think that happens Monday evening into Tuesday. That's when we'll see rain at times mixed with a little bit of snow. At this point, I don't think that we're going to see much in the way of accumulations of snowfall, which is the good news. We may see a brief period of time of a little bit of lake effect, but even that won't really amount to a whole heck of a lot. So through this evening, we'll keep it relatively clear. First thing tomorrow morning, as you are up and out the door, perhaps heading to worship services, a good looking start, albeit kind of chilly, so grab, of course, the hats, the gloves, and the scarves. Tomorrow afternoon, more sunshine in store. Let's talk a little bit more about Monday to start off your work week. First half of the day looks excellent. I think it'll be the second half of the day that you'll see the increase in clouds, and eventually Monday after sunset, some of that rain begins to roll on through. So your Universal Windows Direct full 7-day showing that to you. I think we make it into the 50s tomorrow on Sunday. By Monday, again, notice our chances for some evening showers, and then by Tuesday, it's that rain-snow mix in the forecast. And then the bottom falls out Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and into next weekend. Highs only around freezing, so it's going to be very cold by that point. Overnight lows falling into the 20s. Get ready and be prepared for it. And guys, I have to hold this up just as a reminder as well. Again, we are going to have and experience a beautiful supermoon tonight that is going to appear 14% larger, 30% brighter. Folks are already asking me online, where do I look? Just up into the sky.
Get a look while you can.
At the moon. It should be beautiful tonight.
Do you need special glasses for this one?
No.
No.
Okay.
Absolutely not.
And Dorcina and I are always looking for Facebook friends too, not just Michael.
No, absolutely. We
share the love.
That's right.